Information and communication technology includes all of our, which like online learning, as you said, web-based learning. Which of the following appropriate definition of IT? IT की जो definition है वो है information technology refer to the use of hardware, software for storage, retrieval, processing, distribution, information of mankind. CBT का मतलब क्या होता है? What is CBT? It's computer based training. That is CBT. NPTEL, what is NPTEL? National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. That is enhanced learning. Okay, the ER and NET. ERNet is what? So it is Education and Research Network. Education and Research Network. Okay. At which of the following institution ERNet is used? Where it is used? That is used in ERNet. That is all of our IISc, IIT, National Center for Software Technology. Which of the following not included in the basic dimension of ICT? में क्या नहीं आता है? That is attitude is not in the basic definition. Which of the following open source e-learning platform have been developed by IIT Kanpur? That was C. Brihaspati. Recording a television program on a VCR is an example of that was time shifting. On a VCR, that is recording of television program, that is time shifting. Which of the following is main challenge ICT adoption in Indian university? And that was all of about lack of technological readiness, poor implementation of ICT and linguistic barrier. Which of the following parameter is also used for the expansion of the higher education? So it is used the equity, assets and resources. TKDL is what? TKDL is traditional knowledge digital library. Sending and receiving messages occurring at the same time is denoted by, that was asynchronous. Video conferencing is an example of, that is a synchronous technology. Video conferencing is a synchronous. Which is following used to context of education through the CD? If you are using education through the CD, that is known as what is the education through the CD? That is asynchronous. CD is asynchronous, video is the synchronous. Digital divide is what is term is, that is term is none of above. It's not developed, developing nation or urban rural. And in which of hyper media database information bits are stored? Where bits are stored, that is signals, or signals is there, bits are stored. Communication bandwidth that has the highest capacity and used by microwave cable. So this microwave cable is used for broadband technology, that is communication bandwidth. Okay. Now an electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertisement message is referred to, what is that referred to? The strap. Okay, the concept of connect intelligence is derived from value added network. Okay, value added network. The function of the mass communication of applying information regarding the process, issue, event and societal development. So 23 is what? That is B, that is surveillance. Information that is combination of graphs, text, sound, video and the animation is what? 24 is what? That is the C, multimedia. That is graph, text, sound, video and animation, that is multimedia. Which of the following launched knowledge repository eGyan-Kosh? eGyan-Kosh is 25 is B, that is IGNOU. The institution promoted the department of IT में जो promote किया जाता है, that is ERNet. The bucket of FM radio channel in broadcast 27 is A, that was Gyanvani. Which of the following has been working the direction to develop a virtual technology university in India? 28 is D, that was the AICTE Virtual Technical University. The joint initiative of IIT IISc to provide e-learning, जो e-learning provide करता है, that is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Which of the following assigned to be tasked to develop e-content, engineering, science, technology and humanity? That is 30 is A, that is IIT Madras. A view of software and NMECT is basically developed by 31 is A, that is teacher training. 31 is A, that is teachers training. Web 2.0 is 32, that is D, that is all of above. Blog, wikis, broadcast, social networking communities. Which of the following service can help student to access computer files from remote locations through mobile phones? 33 is B, that is Rain. The satellite communication work through from which, that is the transponder. Satellite communication work through the transponder. Which of the following is the appropriate definition of the computer? That is 35 is B, Computer is an electronic device that can store, retrieve, quickly process both quantitative qualitative data. A computer is consist of, that is all of above, central processing, memory and input output unit. Typical modern computer is what? That is a LSI chips. Typical modern is LSI chips, which is following the correct statement. 38 is D, that is all of our psychological, a set of instruction and computer can use for diagnosing the student learning. The pioneer organization in personal computer is 39, that is A, that is non-volatile. Pioneer for the most closely related to the main memory, so it's IBM. And 40 is what? 40 is the temporary memory, is the closely related to main memory. Which is the following used for manufacturing chips में क्या यूज़ में लिया जाता है? That is semiconductor used for the manufacturing chips. Microprocessing is made of, that is made of the computer. Group of instruction, microprocessing is made up of the computer. Group of instruction to direct the functioning of the computer is called, that is called 43C, that is program. And the main component, the main component of the first generation computer 44 is what? That is B, that is vacuum tubes and valves. Photon is what? Photon is 45 is C, that was the formula translation. Which of the following statement is the not correct? 46 is what? So 46 is D. Computer is capable of processing digital as well as analogous signal. Which of the following not the characteristics of the computer? So 47 is A. Computer is an electrical machine, that's not the characteristic. Analogous computer, what it do? It do input is never converted to a digital form, that is the analogous computer, never converted in the digital form, that is the analogous computer. Hybrid computer is what? That is disassemble both digital and analogous computer. The latest generation computer is what? And that is the both sequentially and parallelly. Who designed the first electronic NA computer? It designed by the Joseph Eckert and the Mauchly. The hexadecimal is 0 to 9 and A to F. The binary equivalent of -15 is equal to 4 times 1001. We will discuss in next session. 1 GB is 230 bytes, I think. 54 is B. All computer, big, medium or small, must have, what should it have? All of above. Control unit, ALU, primary storage. The byte consists of 8 digit. Byte is the 8 digit. Which of the following example of operating system? That is the Unix, GNU and the Windows and the Mac OS. System software designed to help in analyzing, monitoring, configuring, optimizing, setting, maintaining computer are called that is called B, that is the unitary software. The general term used for the software that can be used without payment, and that is 59 is B, that is the freeware. The silicon chips used for data processing के लिए जो silicon chips होती है microprocessor. The metal discs which permanently housed in sealed and contamination free container are used. 61 is A, that is hard disk. All modern computer operate on, that is operate on C, that is data. Instruction and memory address are represented by 63 is B, that is binary code से इसको आप represent करते हो memory को. The computer size was very large, and that was large in first generation computer. Microprocessor as a switching device are for which of the generation computer? 65 is the fourth generation computer. Unique is 66 is a universal automatic computer. Unique. Which of the following is language is widely used? Computer science, engineering and also business. 67 is C, that is Pascal. The first electronic digital computer is, that was the semiconductor memory. The name of Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Advanced computing is what? That is the Param. Normally the computer are used to the bank, airlines and railway के लिए जो यूज़ में लिए जाते हैं, that is known as the mainframe computer. Which is the manufacturing chips? 71 is C, that was the semiconductor is the manufacturing chips. Okay. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग मोस्ट पावरफुल कंप्यूटर जो है उसे हम कहते हैं सुपर कंप्यूटर. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेजेस सोर्स प्रोग्राम इज रिटर्न? तो ये रिटर्न किया जाता है हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज में. द सेट ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम दैट मैनेज द हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर को जो मैनेज करते हैं. 74 इज सी, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ए सॉफ्टवेयर दैट कन्वर्ट ए प्रोग्राम इन असेंबली लैंग्वेज इनटू द मशीन लैंग्वेज में जो कन्वर्ट करता है, दैट इज़ द असेंबलर. A software which convert a high level language program to the machine language is one go through. 76 is what? That is A, compiler. ए कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम दैट कन्वर्ट एन एंटायर प्रोग्राम इनटू मशीन लैंग्वेज में जो कन्वर्ट करता है उसको कंपाइलर कहते हैं. ओके. ए कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम दैट ट्रांसलेट वन प्रोग्राम इंस्ट्रक्शन एट ए टाइम इनटू मशीन लैंग्वेज में जो ट्रांसफर करता है दैट इज़ द इंटरप्रेटर होता है. स्मॉल और इंटेलिजेंट डिवाइसेस सो कॉल्ड द कंटेंट विद इन दैट इज द sensor. Which of the following belong to the first generation of the computer? That is ENIAC. A collection of the 8 bits is called. 81 is A, that is byte. The brain of computer. 82 is D, that is central processing unit. Central processing unit is 83, that is control, arithmetic, logical and primary storage. ALU is what? 84 is A, that is arithmetic logical unit. ALF of computer respond to the command. 85 is B, that is control section. It contains button and menus provide to access to the commonly used command. 86 is what? That is B, that is toolbar. The type of control shift and alt belong to. 87 is B, that was the functions. Which of following is a part of the central processing unit? 88 is C, that is the arithmetic logical unit. The instruction for starting the computer setup. 89 is what? That was C, that was the arithmetic logical unit. The instruction for starting the computer में जो instruction दिए जाते हैं 89 and 89 is C, that was the read only memory chip. ALU of the computer normally contains, जो ALU होता है 90, that is B, that is the registers होते हैं. A factor which would strongly influence a business को जो strongly influence करता है that is all of reliability, accuracy and speed. Keyboard जो encode करता है उसको 92 is B, that was the ASCII code. Okay, keyboard जिसको encode करता है. ABCDIC 93 is what? That is D, extended binary case decimal interchange code. ABCID 94 का आंसर आ जाएगा A, that is 256 can how many different character. And BCD is 95. 95 is A, that is binary coded decimal. ASCII is 96, that is C, the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Which largest unit storage among the following? 97 is A, that was a terabyte. CD-ROM is 10 for 98 is C, that was the compact disk read only memory. Compact disk read only memory. Data can be saved or baking storage medium is 99, that was C, that is compact disk rewritable. And RAM means random access memory comparison to secondary storage and the primary. 101 is B, that is faster and more expensive. The two kind of main memory are 102, that was A, that was a ROM and RAM. The act retrieving existing data from memory is called. 103 is D, that is all of above. RAM is used short term memory. 104 is D, volatile memory. द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी यूज़ फॉर टेम्प्रेरी स्टोरेज के लिए जो यूज़ में लेता है जिससे कहते हैं हम स्मॉल कैपेसिटी दिस दैट इज़ रैम. एंड द मेमोरी विच इज़ प्रोग्राम एट द टाइम इट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इज़ 106 इज़ A, that is ROM. And which is following is the secondary memory device? 107 is C, that was the floppy diskette. Secondary is a floppy diskette. The most important advantage of a video disk. 108 is B, that is potential capacity. Floppy disks which are made of the flexible plastic material are also called. 109. 109 is C, that was a diskette. And what is the latest write once optical storage media? 1110 is CD-ROM disk. Regarding the VDU, which statement is more correct? 111 is C, that is it is peripheral device. The two main memory types are 112 is C, that is ROM and RAM. Which is following will happen when data is entered into the memory location. में जब डाटा जाता है तो it will erase the previous content को ये erase कर देते हैं. ठीक है, तो मेमोरी लेवल में जो डाटा जाते हैं तो प्रीवियस वाले को erase कर देते हैं. स्टोरेज एरिया यूज टू स्टोर डाटा टू कंपनसेट डिफरेंसेस स्पीड एट विच डिफरेंट यूनिट को जब हैंडल किया जाता है दैट इज़ नॉट बफर. विच इज़ फॉलोइंग मेमोरी अलाउ साइमल्टेनियस रीड एंड राइट दोनों ही होते हैं जिसमें दैट इज़ रैम. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेमोरी हैज़ द शॉर्टेस्ट एक्सेस टाइम? सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट एक्सेस टाइम कैच मेमोरी का. टू लोकेट ए डाटा आइटम फॉर ए स्टोरेज में जब डाटा आइटम को लोकेट करती है तो उसको फैच बोलते हैं. द मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज चिप यूज टू प्रोवाइड नॉन वॉलेटाइल डायरेक्ट एक्सेस जिसमें मिलता है दैट इज़ नोन एज 118 एंड दैट इज़ मैग्नेटिक बबल मेमोरी. OCR ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रीडर को बोलते हैं. द कंपेयर्ड सेकेंडरी मेमोरी प्राइमरी मेमोरी ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज 120 का आ जाएगा. दैट विल बी द C, फास्ट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए वे टू एसेस द सेकेंडरी मेमोरी को कैसे एसेस करेंगे? दैट इज A, रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. CD-ROM इज 122, दैट इज D, दैट इज कैन बी इरेज्ड एंड रीरिटन. EEPROM is 123, that is A, that is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Which is following statement is the correct. 124 is C, that is virus is a part of software, that is correct. VGA is what? 125 is A, that was the video graphic array. MSI stand for 126 is a medium scale integrated circuit.